Deep cleaning on Acer Nitro 5 N20C1 laptop. Thank you, Sir Kyle, for trusting PTTIT Solutions. A full internal and external deep cleaning service was successfully performed on the Acer Nitro 5 N20C1 and 515-55-56R2 laptop. This model, designed for gaming and high-performance tasks, requires regular maintenance to prevent overheating, ensures stable performance, and extend hardware longevity. The deep cleaning process began with a careful disassembly of the laptop. The bottom cover was removed using proper anti-static tools, exposing the internal components, including the dual cooling fans, heat pipes, CPU, GPU, and motherboard. Over time, dust and debris had accumulated on the cooling fins inside the fans and along the ventilation pathways, significantly restricting airflow and causing thermal inefficiencies using compressed air. Fine anti-static brushes and vacuum-assisted tools. All visible and embedded dust was removed from the fans, heat sinks, and vents. The fans were carefully cleaned to restore proper rotation speed and quiet operation. This process helped improve air circulation and reduce system temperatures. The old thermal paste on the CPU and GPU was cleaned off and replaced with high-quality thermal compound to re-establish efficient heat transfer from the chips to the heat sinks. This step is essential in ensuring that the laptop runs cooler and performs better under heavy load, such as gaming or content creation. In addition to internal cleaning, the keyboard screen bezel, speaker grills, exhaust vents and I/O ports, USB HDMI, LAN, headphone jack, etc. were thoroughly cleaned to remove surface grime and prevent any poor obstruction or keyboard response issues. After reassembly, the system was powered on and tested under standard and high-performance conditions. Temperature readings showed a significant drop compared to pre-cleaning levels. The fans ran smoothly. The system remained stable under load, and no issues were detected in operation. This deep cleaning service has restored the cooling efficiency of the Acer Nitro 5 and optimized its overall performance. Regular deep cleaning every 6 to 12 months is recommended for gaming laptops to avoid thermal throttling, hardware stress, and premature wear. Deep cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.